it's Melissa from 70 Acre Studio. I'm here to do a quick product review. I saw somebody else using this tool, and I thought that I would purchase it and see how I like it. So let me switch to the overhead. This is for diamond painting, and it is a diamond or drill separator. A lot of people that do this will that do diamond painting, you'll have the diamonds all stuck together. So this is actually based on a similar product for crushing herbs. Wink, wink. So if you have a lot of drills that are stuck together, let's see if we can't find some. I think there's at least one in here. And it'll probably be, yes, one of the ones stuck here. Of course, when you need to look for them, you don't find them. There are several in here, several diamonds in here that are actually stuck together. I see quite a few of them actually. And that can be real annoying because they'll bounce all over the place as you try to unstick them and use them. So the way this works is, whoops, you drop it and you spill the diamonds all over the floor. And yeah, turn the camera off, shake your head, and go home and have a cookie. Okay, let's try that again. Come on, let go of me. It's very cold in my studio today. I'm still waiting for the heat to warm up. Okay, so you spread these out a wee bit, and you take the top, and you do not apply any pressure. Okay, you just turn it. That's all you do. All you do is just turn it. And that should have separated all of the ones that were stuck. I see one there. I don't think I see any more in that tray. So let's give it a quick rotate. And I'm not hearing anything anymore. So I'm guessing that that means that they've all separated. So let's take a look. Yep, they've all separated. So again, you don't apply any force on this. You just rotate it. And these little ribs in here will meet with these little ribs, and they'll just help pull them apart. So this is made by probably an industrious fellow who's married to a diamond painter. And I'll give you the information. It is Archer's Art. Let me get the, yes, Archer's Arts. And I will put a link in the description down below. And I still see one here that's stuck together. Right? Nope, they are separated. Okay. But yeah, it works good. It's certainly a heck of a lot frustrating than, you know, trying to break them apart with a pair of tweezers or whatever. So that's it. It's just a real short product review. Again, it was by Archer's Arts. And I'll put the information down on the bottom of the video. I will add their link. Again, they give you a little disclaimer, you know, that the product is provided as is. And yeah, that's it. Let's see, I don't see, that's funny, I don't see their website listed on here. But I will put it in the description box down below. And it was only $12, and I think that it was definitely worth it. If I had a If I had a 3D printer, I might try printing one myself, but you know, I have no problem with, you know, paying somebody that's providing a good tool, and this seems to work. So that's it, real quick and simple. I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Please do hit that subscribe button and ring my bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, leave a kind comment down below, and I will talk to you all very soon. So long now.